Namaste everyone and welcome back to Yoga Pathshala Day 2. In the last session, we know about what is yoga and today we are going deeper into the roots of yoga. Today we will learn where did yoga come from, how old is yoga, which are the major paths of yoga and which path is suitable for which person. Because yoga is not only exercise, yoga is complete journey of mind, body and soul. Yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India thousands of years ago. Yoga comes from the Sanskrit word yuj, which means to join or to unite. But unite what? The connection between mind and body, individual consciousness and universal consciousness. The knowledge of yoga passed from teacher to students through Guru Shishya tradition. One of the most important book in yoga is Patanjali Yoga Sutra. In that book, Maharishi Patanjali explained systematic path of yoga. He described Ashtanga Yoga, the 8 limbs of yoga. Yama, discipline with society. Niyama, discipline with yourself. Asan, physical posture. Pranayam, breath control. Pratyahar, withdrawal of senses. Dharana, concentration. Dhyan, meditation. Samadhi, ultimate state of consciousness. Today many people think yoga is flexibility, but traditionally yoga is complete lifestyle. There are different paths of yoga because every human being have different natures. So the first is Hatha Yoga, the path of body and energy. Ha represents sun energy and Tha represents moon energy. Hatha Yoga represents asana, pranayam, mudras and cleansing practices. Best for beginners, fitness lovers and people who want health and balanced body. Second is Raj Yoga, path of mind control. Raj Yoga is known as a royal path. It focuses on meditation and controlling the mind fluctuation. Best for people who want mental peace, focus and mind awareness. The third is Karma Yoga, path of action. Karma Yoga teaches us to do our duties without the attachment of the result. It is the yoga of selfless action. Best for the people who love serving and helping others. The fourth is Bhakti Yoga, path of devotion. Bhakti Yoga is the path of love, surrender and devotion. Through prayer, chanting and pure emotions, people can connect with higher consciousness. Best for emotional and devotional personalities. So the fifth is Jnana Yoga, the path of knowledge. Jnana Yoga is the path of wisdom and self-inquiry. It asks who am I and what is my true nature. Best for people who think so much, philosophers and people who think about deeper knowledge. Every yoga path has a final destination, inner peace and self-realization. You choose yoga path and it includes every path and you can reach to your higher consciousness. In the next part, we will do some practical asanas. Till that, see you next time. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay connected with Rooted Disha. Namaste.